What's good, everybody? It's Trims by Cartier. If you're new to the channel, thank you for watching. Make sure you like, share, comment, and subscribe. But in this particular video today, I'm going to be doing a review on the Oster Fast Feeds. I finally got my hands on these. It took me a while to get them. I ain't even gonna lie. I ain't want to pay the price, but I did. Made an investment, but that's how the game goes. But you guys stay tuned. This will be a detailed review. All right, welcome back, everybody. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the unboxing of the Oster Fast Feeds. It comes with a manual. Most of the time I never read these, just being honest. It comes wrapped and it has a guard for the blades, and the power button is taped down. Now, seeing these clippers first off, like, I'm happy with the design. That lever is something that I'm gonna have to get used to, but it's no big deal. I also noticed that the clipper opens all the way to a true 1, similar to the Andis Masters. It gives you more space to fade. It comes with a power cord and a stand. And I particularly like the stand because I don't have to worry about plugging the clipper in and sitting it in my station. I can actually sit it on top of the station and grab it whenever I need it. And it can be charged at all times. It also comes with guards and lubrication. I don't normally use the guards. I've never seen these type of guards before, but I tend to use the Andis double magnetic guards. They work well with these clippers. Not saying that something is wrong with these guards, but I just don't use them. But I believe in the package there are 4 guards. So they sound pretty quiet. They almost sound exactly like the corded Oster Fast Feeds. And here are the double magnetic guards that I use. And they fit on there perfectly. They're not sliding around, bouncing, or anything like that. So now I'm going to do a side-by-side comparison. The cordless is longer than the corded, and it seems that the cordless clipper does weigh the least. The levers are different, which is something that I noticed that I'm going to have to get used to. But other than that, this looks like a great clipper to me. So part 2 will be on the way. Stay tuned, like, share, comment, and subscribe. And thank you guys for watching the video.